Hello everyone, how are we all doing today? We are going to be working on, Jesus Christ, this blowhouse is just huge. We're going to be working on Steam achievements today. Very exciting. If you missed last stream, it was 5 hours of me trying to get the fucking Steam achievements to work, so that's done. So we are now going to be properly integrating them, which is very exciting. We have a lot of work to do, and I'm starting pretty late because I was up late last night, so we are going to just power through this. So let us jump straight in, shall we? Right, so this is my test achievement, which actually worked, which was when you travel 100 meters, it unlocked an achievement, right? So we now have, and instead of these test achievements, we now have the final achievements that will be in the game, which is this list right here. So yes, we're doing Steam achievements, chat. Now the question is, what order do we do this in? I guess we, the first thing we do, which is not super fun, is integrating this into the engine, I. So these are the test achievements. Now we need to do all of the actual achievements, which there are 25 of, 24, 25 of. So we're gonna go ahead and do a bunch of copying and pasting to start. Just as, did I spell integrating wrong on the stream? That's fucking cringe. Leave it to the Yag Rabbit to fucking typo something. Hold on 1 second, chat. Let me fix that right up. Let me turn my fan on too, because it is getting warm in here. Okay, so let me actually spell that correctly. I think that's how you spell that word. I don't know, it looks wrong. It's one of those words that just looks wrong, unless I'm actually typing it wrong. No idea. Don't care anymore. Okay, so let's type all this shit in. So there are 25 achievements. So let's just go ahead and they all have ACH underscore on them. Also, just a volume check. How is everything? Can you hear me underneath over the video? How does it sound? Let me know. But yeah, so let's just 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, counting from 0, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. 4, 5, oops, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I am just counting. This is a stream where I count. 21, 22, 23, 24. Cool. Is it good? Okay, I'm gonna lower it just a little bit. I'm integrating Steam Cheetos. This game will have Cheetos in it. I don't, no, actually, no Cheetos. Just Chivos. Alright, so complete tutorial. Yo, right, just a heads up, some of these, these are achievements for the entire game, including hidden achievements and end game achievements, so you might wanna, you know, just a heads up, there will be spoilers, I guess. So just keep an eye out, okay? Or maybe don't keep an eye out is what I'm trying to say. These have underscores. Ah! 3, 5. I lost one. Underscores for every single achievement. Okay. Beat Gregory, unlock all carts, unlock all racers. There's a bot? Oh my gosh, there is a bot. I don't know if you should use that word for describing banning them, though. Can I not get rid of the bot? Ugh, hold on. My fucking stream manager is being cringe right now. I mean, luckily the link is... Wait. Oh, there we go. Ban! Get banned, idiot. Okay. Unlock all racers. Unlock one moon shard. Achievement sounds like a tasty snack. Chivo? Yeah, Chivos. Beat Nicholas. Yag. The Yag achievement. No blood droplets. Beat the Matilda sisters. Hoggers. We love Hoggers. I'll not read these ones out loud. Okay, luckily, I think the biggest question right now, is will these achievements be unlocked retroactively? Yes, but only for some. A lot of the unlock ones can be retroactively achieved, but these ones here, like distance traveled, time airborne, distance drifted, beat the campaign under an hour, these will unfortunately will not be retroactively unlocked, but like unlock all carts or whatever will be. Excuse me. So that is the unfortunate reality, but I am happy that some of them will be retroactively unlocked. Is the stream lagging? Oh no! Damn, we got a whole new modem and everything. Hold on. Ugh, I just need to do a speed test before every single fucking stream. This is ridiculous. We got a new router and it gave us decent internet for one stream. Oh golly. Oh golly. Yep, I'm getting the dropped frames warning. This is fucking awful. I hate everything. What's our upspeed at? Come on, what's our upspeed at? Thank you for the bits, Hyperflash. Was that 5 bits? Oof. Come on, internet speed test. Come on. Come on, speed test. 8.3 megabits, 8.3 up. 8.3 up, and the minimum recommended is 10, so we are probably gonna get some drops. I'm so sorry, everyone. Okay, so we are going to just power through it, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't get worse. We also need to put in our, so this is the Steam app ID. This is a publicly facing number, so I'm not like, sharing anything scary or secret. The app ID for Nightmare Kart, this is what, this is how it knows what achievements to apply to what game, is 2930160. Boom. I believe that's the only place I need to put that number. Hyperflash's modem, you get one good stream, take it or leave it, right? Okay, so yeah, so we're going to basically, for things to be unlocked retroactively, we're going to be checking for achievements on a timer that will always be running. Every 5 seconds, no matter where you are in the game, every 5 seconds, it's going to check your progress and for unlocks and stuff. So we're just gonna make a huge list here. I might stagger it, so like every 5 seconds it'll check, or every couple of seconds it'll check, just the distance based accumulated stats based achievements, and then we'll, then on the next couple of seconds it'll check the like cart unlock achievements that kind of stuff. But for now, we'll just be one massive list, and if it gives us a hitch, then we will stagger it out, right? Okay, so we are going to go straight in. Snazzy Cool, hello. Rappy Tap, hello, first time watching? Happy to have ya. So I'm going to bring up this list. Oh gosh, we should have a... Here, let me just... Here, I'm just going to take the screen... Okay. I'm trying to, like, I want to have this window and window on, like, a separate window, so I don't always have to, like, tab back to it, but I guess we have to. Okay. So the first one is learning the ropes to complete the tutorial. Right, so this will be categorized as campaign achievements, which will be a bit interesting because we have to check every single available save file and load it, which I'm pretty certain will cause a hitch. So I don't know. Anything that requires loading a save file will cause a hitch. So what we should do is like actually go into the campaign, go into the tutorial level, and when it fires off the lightning bolt, which ends the level, but when the level ends, we should trigger it. But that wouldn't retroactively be unlocked. You'd have to, so if you've already beat the tutorial and that value is saved to your file, and then you do this achievement update and you load the game up, it won't pop, it won't trigger. So this will probably have to be, we're gonna have to do two implementations. One at the end of the tutorial and one that just checks once on boot, but it's not checking every 5 seconds. So that means, okay, so this will not be part of the, oh my God, we lost connection again. Okay, but we're not, it's only for like a second. So hopefully that's acceptable. Anyways, so we're going to be, I mean, why is this on loop? Oh, YouTube. Okay, so this is part of the timer. I'm also going to do a one-off check. So this will be a single check on boot. We'll do 5 seconds. We'll wait 5 seconds after boot. Here. We don't want to be loading every single save that you currently have in the game every 5 seconds. That's just asking for a performance hit. Okay, so we're going to there are two different types of saves. There's the core save file and then like the player save files, right? So you know, like when you're playing a game and you change your settings, like that's not part of your player save file, that's part of the core save file. In most cases, I know there's some games that'll like save your settings to your player profile, and if you load a different profile, those settings will load, but not in this case. So we're just gonna get the core save. Oh, let's save the core save. Here we go. Snazzy Cool says, never really thought about how achievements are programmed. It's thought they need to put in code for this. Yeah, it's a process. You know, if this game was planned to be uploaded to Steam earlier than 6 days before the original launch, I would have put the effort in. But, you know, this game was uploaded. This game did get added to Steam under very special circumstances, and I did not have the time to do all this before launch. So here we are, adding it afterwards, so now it's more difficult. Okay, so we're gonna load the core save. We're going to get, there should be a list of, yeah, save slots. Okay, so this is a list of all the current existing player saves. So we're gonna go through the list, and for each entry on the list, I actually forget the naming convention. I think it's KSAV and a number for the slot, I think. Oh shoot, I don't remember. I think it's KSAV for Kart save because this is using the Bloodborne PSX code base, so SAV is just for Bloodborne PSX. Congrats on getting the problem fixed from last stream. Thank you, Packerby. Yes, we got it figured out. And thank you so much for the help. Shout out to Packerby in chat, who was a big help on the last stream when we got it figured out. I'm pretty sure it's K-save. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna check. Hold on. I'm just gonna check where else it's saved. Appreciating the hypercam. Everyone loves the hypercam. That's main settings. Oh, golly. Right, this is graphics. Hold on, chat. BB Kart save or load game. So this should be, yeah, this will tell us. Yeah, K-save, K-SAV, and the number of the slot, right? So if you find your saves, that's what it will be called. So, right, okay. So we get the slot number, and then append K-save, like that. Packerby says in the end it didn't help at all. Just because you didn't, like you helped, you know, you walked through it. You helped me walk through it. Just because you didn't end up, you know, figuring out the actual solution. You were still helping us all walk through it, right? So I would say that counts as helping. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So we're gonna load the save file. Load game from slot. We're basically checking if the slot, the save file exists first, so we don't get an error. Because you don't want errors. The errors are bad. Okay, then we're gonna actually load the game. I don't know what user index is. I don't think we ever use user index. Okay, so we're gonna cast to, right, the core settings and the player save. Then we're gonna get, there should be, so this player save contains all of the information, right, pertaining to that save file. So we should have progression. We should have a progression, yeah, a progression variable. This is a struct, so we break this apart. I want to say every save file has a progression struct, or maybe not a struct, but their progression is saved in here, right? So obviously this progression for Nightmare Kart is very small, but the progression for Bloodborne PSX is, you know, because that's like an open, you know, traditional video game with like a story and stuff that's like non-linear. If we look at the progression struct on Bloodborne PSX, it's a lot bigger, right? And, you know, it is like normal stuff like, oh, you've met Father Gascoigne. What's Eileen's side quest state? What's Gurman's side quest state? Right? Have you met the doll? That's anything that is referenced and, like, you know, obviously contributes to your game's progression has to be saved here. Eileen's friendly state, right? So if Eileen is friendly, this value is 0. If you attack her and then she fights back, then I'll flip this value to 1. So when you see her again, she'll be aggressive. And then obviously 2 is she's dead. So yeah, so if you kill her and then you go and try to, and then, you know, and then she quote unquote shows up in the future level, she won't, right? So whole bunch of stuff in here. Game completed, right? So this is obviously referenced to trigger the new game plus prompts, all that stuff. But Nightmare Karts is a lot smaller because it's a linear list of levels. There's no open world for you to run around in. So anyways, So we're just basically just gonna say which level is the character at. I want to say I'm gonna have to remember what value this is. Do we count from 0? I forget if the tutorial is level 0 or level 1. However, you do get 1 insight after completing the tutorial, so we can kind of just check the insight value, and if it's greater than 0, it would just unlock the tutorial prompt. However, but this is a list, so we'd have to manually add it all together, which is more math than just checking a single integer. So I'm actually going to go into the campaign and print this value. Waffle Iron, hello! Semi-early, Yag. We just started. Are we gonna crash? Motherfucker. Okay, sorry. Okay, so yeah, another thing, this game instance, we're in the game instance right now. If I edit the game instance, Unreal Engine just likes to get really crashy. So that's unfortunate. Okay, so I'm going to, we're gonna go into the tutorial level. You know, our favorite Kart tutorial level with the best music in the OST, in my humble opinion. I think tutorial is my favorite song. I've had a lot of time to sit and think about it. I think tutorial is my favorite song. Fuck! See, I told ya. We should have a fucking crash counter. Hold on, can I add a crash counter? Can I add a text file to my OBS? Crash counter. We'll put it next to unregistered hypercam. No, we'll put it where should we put the crash counter? I guess top right. Can I like add a stroke? Can I stroke? No, I don't want a gradient. Oh my god. I mean, I guess the gradient looks kind of cool. All right, background. There we go. Boom. Crash counter, baby. All right, let's restart. Packer, I'll see you later. And thank you once again for helping out. You were a huge help. Can it be Comic Sans? Sure. Is that in here? There, Comic Sans. I hope you're happy. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we're constantly losing connection. This is fucking frustrating. Got a fucking new router for this shit. Boy. We're listening to the Astrobot OST for those curious. Because that game fucking owns. Okay. So we need to, I'm actually going to put this in print. All right, a pen string. Casual Panda says delighted by the Comic Sans crash counter. Well, we added it 5 seconds ago. All right, slot. Current level. Okay. So we are just going to. Oh, I should probably. I'm also going to print the. I'm also going to print the Insight unlock. That's wrong. Boop. That would have been very embarrassing. Okay. Elements here. Okay, so we're basically just printing our save file data. What do you use to make the PS1 graphics-esque look? It is a system I created. I partially used PSX FX for the vertex lighting. If you want to look into that, just Google PSX FX for Unreal Engine. It's on itch. Okay. So yes, that means we're just gonna play this game. We're gonna turn the audio off, or I guess just the music. Why aren't you working? Sparky says, I finally played Network yesterday and really liked it so far. I'm so happy to hear that. Okay, hold on. Always on top. There we go. The way I like it. You know, the window always being on top, the game window. Nothing else. Duh, of course. Okay, we are having... So we are not... There's an error here. Does save game exist? False. We're getting a false flag here. Does save game exist? False. That's not good. Let's take a look at our actual save data. Oh, we don't have any save data. Well, that's cringe. I mean, then it's doing what it should. Okay, let's speed run through this intro. Yeah, I don't give a shit about your fucking lore. Well, I guess it's mine if I wrote it. Voice 1, always. Hunter motorcycle, always. The only way to be. Right, now the question is, if you skip the tutorial, I guess it wouldn't give you the achievement, huh? Yeah, we are constantly getting hiccups on the stream, but luckily it isn't big enough that it's ending the stream and cutting my viewership in half. So that's good, I guess. A squeaky scroll wheel. Yeah, I need to fix my scroll wheel. It's so fucking loud and annoying. So we still don't have a save yet. I guess we won't have a save. I'm just gonna do the tutorial, just so we have because I could theoretically skip it, but I do want to like test this as accurately as possible, right? So let me just go through the tutorial. No one resents lore as much as its own creator. So I'm reading text while driving. Probably not a good idea. I'm crashing. Hello, Dirty Jester. It's true. Okay, it's very framey because we have the code open in the background, no other reason. Oh, goodness gracious. My bones hurt, chat. Excuse me. Legally distinct lore. Exactly. Oh, excuse me. Boop the squeaky mouse on the scroll wheel nose. Okay, well, chat, if we don't have a save file until after you complete the tutorial, then just checking if there's a valid save would count. Like, right? Like, you can't save until you've completed the tutorial. So if there is a single valid campaign save, then we know that that you've completed the tutorial. Right? Okay. Right, okay. So we don't even need to read the save. We just need to see if there's... Yeah, here it is. Okay, I forgot to list the insight, which is cringe. But the current level is... Yeah, we don't even need to read this information. So I'm just gonna print... Yeah, so if save slots... If the number of save slots that exist is greater than 0, then we know you've completed the tutorial. Get new bones? I wish it was that easy. I wish it was that easy to get new bones. I do not have 7 saves. PC mice are as big as rats. What's up with that? Were they as big as rats at the start? Who knows? Okay, so yeah. Does save game exist? just do the check. I'm going to bake this down into a square root. Stop. A function, or I guess a macro, but a macro, you can't place a macro in a function. Had you not posted, had you not posted you already won versus the Steam API? I absolutely did post that. I definitely made a post. I made multiple posts. Getting bones isn't too hard. It's getting the right bones inside yourself. Well, I guess it depends where you live. Probably hard to source bones in New York, but you know, if you just live in the fucking wilderness, I'm sure that's easier. Just drive into the desert, find some bones. Yeah, we were constantly losing connection. This is super frustrating. We got a whole new fucking router for this shit. Ugh, this sucks. Chat, this fucking sucks. We had one stream with no hiccups. Yep, just crashed. Hold on, chat. I gotta go through all these fucking ads. Hold on one second. Okay, looks like we haven't lost our viewership at least, so that is a plus. Alright, so we're just gonna make a function. Collapse to function. No, we need to make this a universal function, so we need to go to our function library, our funklib, as it's called, our BB Kart funklib. The BB Kart funklib. Okay. Unlock achievement. Oh, okay, we can't make this a function. Never mind. A macro it is. Let's go to the macro lib. Crony says, last year I found a deer skull in the woods. See, exactly. It depends on where you live, I guess. Also, that's pretty metal. On failure. And then we need an out. I guess we just do a sequence here. Sorry, I know this is very messy. Well, let me clean this up. We're doing this live. People are looking at my code. I'm self-conscious. Let's make it nice. Last thing we need is more gatekeepy programmers in chat. Being like, see, this is why this entire style of programming is unacceptable, because your code is messy. That's the last thing I want right now. Okay, so we need a new input, which is a name. Achievement name. And achievement progress. I guess I don't need the word achievement in the actual... Well, okay, alright, fine. Oh, goodness. Okay, so achievement name. Okay, so now we have a nice function, and by function I mean macro. Okay, so now we can just call the unlock achievement. Right, we can't. Ugh. I'm so fucking pissed off. I'm so confused, chat. Glop for short says, what goes into the decision to have an achievement for complete the tutorial? I don't understand the question. What goes into the decision? I don't understand what you mean. Can we not use macros in the fucking game instance? Can we not use fucking macros in the game instance? Okay, we can't use macros in the fucking game instance. And we cannot paste... Check cache achievement descriptions. Hold on one second. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Courtney, hello! Okay, we have to make this a function. I thought I couldn't do that, but it looks like we can, so we're gonna have to write this whole thing over again. Oh yeah, this is totally different. Okay. Okay, chat. Trying to bake this into a function gives us a lot of extra variables that I don't know what they do and might potentially break the achievement unlocking system. This might cause problems. This is not tested. This is tested. What I had here is untested. So I think making a function might actually cause more bugs. So we're just gonna do it the safe way, which unfortunately looks a little ugly, but we're just gonna have to cope with that. Honey Zilia, we are having internet connections on my end. We've been having internet connections for months. We bought a new router. We called the internet service provider. We're trying everything we can here. I'm sorry. Trust me, we're trying everything we can. Okay. So, chat, to get back into what we were doing, if there is a save, if there is a single save, if there is a single campaign save file that exists, we know they've completed the tutorial because you can't save until after the tutorial, right? So, this should be easy. All right, so ACH complete tutorial. There we go. That should be it. I'm also going to put a comment here. All right, so now I need to do beat Gregory. I hope the internet issue gets resolved soon. Me too. Me too. Because it is pissing me off and directly affecting my livelihood. Okay, so beating Father Gascoigne is level 4. Cooney says, what if I'm a freak and I never save but I totally regret it when destroying the floating mines is one of the few missions where you actually die? Destroying the floating mines? What are you talking about? Anyways, if you don't save, you will also be triggering the unlocks in the appropriate levels as well. So you will still be unlocking them. This is just, what I'm doing right now is just for retroactive unlocks. So there's your answer. Okay, chat, so Father Gregory is level 4. I don't remember if, I think our progression stat does not count from 0, so it should be level 4 still. But that is a should, and as we know from the last stream, we don't like the word should, so we're going to confirm this. What factors into the decision to have an achievement for complete the tutorial? Every game under the sun has one for completing the tutorial. Let me read the whole thing. You could have an achievement for anything. Sit on the main menu for 24 hours. So how do you decide what gets an achievement? I think about what other games do. A lot of them do have achievements for beating bosses, completing the tutorial, beating the game, getting all the endings, right? So those are like the progression achievements. And then there's like the fun statistic achievements, get 3 headshots, get a triple kill, you know, drive for over 1 kilometer in total. And then there's like the fun achievements, right? My go-to example is always keep a car in the air for 10 seconds using explosions in Crackdown. That's like a fun achievement, right? And then there's like the meme achievements, like, yeah, oink 100 times with the pig, right? That's a meme achievement. So, you know, that's kind of how that's the process basically. And we just try to find which ones meaning me and chat, which ones are fun and feasible to unlock, right? That's the process. There's your answer. So if Father Gregory is level 4, then if your current level is 5 or higher, then we can confirm that you have defeated Father Gregory. Okay. So do we just play the entire game up to Father Gregory? I mean, I guess it makes sense if we're testing achievements for beating the game. We should probably beat the game, right? Oh, excuse me. Okay, so we're just gonna try and get through this as fast as possible. Nightmare Kart speedrun? I doubt this will be as fast. I doubt this anything I do here would ever place on a leaderboard. I'm actually kind of curious if I would like place in the top 100 or I guess, well, 100s for popular games, in the top 10 or a top 20. If I attempted to do a speedrun, I wouldn't register it. That's not fair. I don't think it's fair for a developer to speedrun their own fucking game. But I would be curious how my skills would transfer over. What happened to our internet? Sorry, our video pause, continue watching. Please, can you stop doing that? YouTube, I know you're desperate for bandwidth because everything is getting worse and resources are getting more hogged. But can you like not pause a YouTube video if I don't tab over for fucking 5 minutes? Makes you come off as desperate. There we go. That wasn't even that bad. So we're gonna save. Loading, loading, loading. Miralodia Expressway. That was bad. Ooh. Did we crash? Holy shit, chat, we fucking crashed. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, chat. All right, let's increment that. No, not 12, 2. Fucking hilarious. Who up hogging their resources? Holy shit. What the fuck? I was on a fucking playlist. Why would you autoplay? Fucking cringe. Alright, rebooting. "12 crashes. Do I fucking implement... Do I turn on my debug tools? All my debug tools are turned off because this is a launch game. And I'm always worried about turning debug tools on because I might forget to turn them off again. And then I'm gonna launch an update with debug tools in it. And that's just, I just can't, that's cringe. Okay, chat, do we reset the crash counter every stream? I guess we do. Oh, gosh. Like, I don't dare risk it. Fudge muffins! This fucking blue shell bullshit. This game sucks. Honey Zelia says, placing a breakpoint in a vital place, then launching in debug and leaving it freeze every time. I don't even think Steam would let you upload a game in debug mode. No, that's not true at all. You can absolutely. I've played some asset flips where you have access to the console command in Unreal Engine, which is automatically turned off when you're in shipping mode. So I take that back. You can absolutely upload a game to Steam in debug mode. Silly me for assuming that Steam has some automated quality control process. Like they care at all. God, I fucking hate Steam. This is why achievements are getting patched in later. This is one of the longer tracks, honestly. And playing it at a crappy frame rate because I have the code open in the background is not helping. Oh, you fucking not cleric beast. Okay, there we go. Queen says, I mean Team Fortress 2 exists. Are you talking about Team Fortress 2 having a console? Yes, Team Fortress 2 was not made in Unreal Engine though, which is what I'm talking about specifically here. Assuming you were talking about a console. That's not an Unreal Engine game, that's a something else game. Oh shit, an outfit swap. Hold on, chat. We're gonna get out of our jammies. There we go. Wangfao says, my favorite weirdly common thing is when games leave the dev console available on console releases, but you can only access it by connecting a USB keyboard to the system. Apparently more common than you might think. Allegedly, I've never done it myself, but I know some popular like hacker or something shared that information online a little bit ago. Hatlith? I think that's just normal bunlith. Get fucked, skeletons. Ah, I missed. Fuck. Who'd have thought sniping in first person on the back of a motorcycle would be really difficult. Hell yeah. in the work attire. Exactly. Okay. So this is the Father Gregory fight. So I'm going to save our progress. I'm going to turn on our read data. Oh, did I delete it? That's cringe. Okay. Oh, golly. Okay, so chat, this stream will be a bit on the short end, so we will probably be switching over to commissions sooner than I would like. But this is like we're getting the process started, and I will be doing more achievements added. Now that we get the process down, adding more achievements should be easier. I don't know why it's printing it like 4 times. But yeah, we are currently on level 4. So if there is a save past level 5, then we can safely assume that you have beat Father Gregory. Hold on, this is not a repeating check. Alright, so he's gonna be Father Gregory, it'll be fine. Why is the Astrobot theme song looping? Okie dokie. It crashed again! Chat! Holy shit! Holy shit, chat. Let's fucking go! I couldn't have done it without you, chat. And game instance. God, this is gonna be so fun. Okay. Well, we've confirmed that the current save file is on 4, so we can easily say that if your save is past 4, greater or equal to 5, your progression, then we can unlock the achievement. Oh, good golly gee willikers. My bones. Okay. So even though we crashed, we did get a confirmation. So if campaign, which level? If your current level is greater or equal to 5, then we can unlock the achievement ACH_B_Gregory. There we go. Okay, so, like I said, every time I edit the game instance, the game will crash at some point in the future. Which is really annoying. Okay. Now we need to get the cart unlocks. Cart unlocks. This would be the core save. This would just be for free play, because every cart you unlock will also be unlocked in free play. And there are 13. What the fuck? There's 13, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right. All right, cool. So, we can grab unlocked carts free play, get the length. If you're greater or equal to 13, just in case someone does something crazy with a glitch or something. Are you going to move up to your next project for UE5? Yes, I will. I will, absolutely. Another outfit swap. We're going back to EP mode, chat. But I'll keep my hat on. Oh, but we do need glasses, of course. Okay, so yes, greater or equal to 13, branch, boop, boop, okay. And I kind of want to make this a linear list. This is unlock all carts. Boop. There we go. And then we're gonna do unlock all racers. So this should just be exactly the same thing. Fuck Blender 4 though. Absolutely, Quony. Get racers. So this should be exactly the same thing. How many racers do we have? Is it also 13? It should also be 13, right? I don't even know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 including the fodder. Right. Glasses make programming top tier. Right. It gives me a headache when I look at a computer screen. So 14. Okay, so unlock all racers. Bless you, baby. I got a VC face watermark. Oh my gosh, I do. I forgot to turn it off. I'm so sorry, chat. Thank you for the reminder. I forgot to turn it off. Okay, I'm doing speed tests in the background. It looks like our up speed is now over 10, so hopefully we won't have any disconnecting issues. But hey, maybe we'll just randomly decide to go under 10 again. Okay. What's next? Unlock a moon shard. So, okay, this is easy. This is part of the progression, right? We should have consumed umbilicals, but you know, we renamed it to moon shards. Oh my god! Literally the second I said our connection should be stable, we lose connection. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's fucking cringe. That is so fucking hilarious. That is so funny. Yeah, our up speed just tanked to 7. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay. So if length is greater than 0, but less than 3. Well, no. If consumed umbilicals is... Yes, this is a retroactive check. Oh my god, that's fucking awful. Yeah, we're at 6 up now. This is fucking awful. This is fucking awful. Okay. Unlock all carts and unlock all racers requires loading. So if we're loading, we can't do this every 5 seconds. So if the number of moon shards you found is over 0 but less than 3, no. If it's over 0, then you've found at least 1 shard. Yeah, we're officially buffering more than we're not buffering. This is fucking awful. I might have to cancel the stream if this keeps up, honestly. Yeah, this is fucking awful. What's our up speed at now? It must be at like 3 again. Okay, so if you have more than 0 moon shards, then unlock the found 1 moon shard achievement. Hobomai says Twitch is having problems site-wide. Okay, yes, but I do have proof on my computer that my up speed is lower than the average recommended, than the lowest recommended. So I can safely assume that this is a me problem, at least partially. Okay. So unlock 1 moon shard, and then if the number of umbilicals is greater or equal to 3, just in case someone figures out how to increment past 3. Even the ads are pausing the buffer. Okay, that's a Well, at least we can get angry at Twitch, but it doesn't change the fact that this does put my livelihood in danger. Yeah, my up speed's 6. That's almost half of the lowest recommended. That still says 0. Change it to 3. Okay, so this will be achievement unlock, moon shard, 1 moon shard, and then 3 moon shards. Okay, so the number of... Whoa, what the fuck? Okay, so the number of unlocks that we can actually get to retroactively trigger is very high. That's very good to hear. Or to see. Alright, beat Nicholas. Nicholas is level... Fudge muffins. What level is Nicholas? Hold on, chat. Mikolash is level 11. Okay. So if you're greater or equal to 12, then we know you've beat Mikolash. Sorry, Nicholas. Okay. Up here. There we go. Wang Fao says when the Steam stream buffers, Twitch automatically pauses the ads as well. That's normal. That's fucking awful. You know, if Twitch fails to load an ad, you should just fucking get past it. But then again, that would never happen in this fucking economic system. Okay, Yag achievement. That is for when you have Bunlith unlocked. So that'll be down here. So we're gonna get unlocked racers. Contains. No, we need to get. Fuck. Where do we check our Bunlith unlock? Actually, I'm gonna have to. See you later, Art Synth. Sorry the stream was so buggy. One second, chat. Okay, so yeah, Bunlith mode. We do have a dedicated cheat variable called Bunlith mode. So we need to get our accessibility settings. Break. Our both accessibilities and cheats are listed as accessibility in the code, because that's kind of just arbitrary. What determines if something is an accessibility option or a cheat, right? Invulnerability, debatable, probably accessibility. Paintball mode, that's a cheat, right? Okay, now my up speed is 30. Maybe my ISP is monitoring my fucking stream. That'd be fucking funny. Okay, where's bundle mode? There we go. Honey Zilia says, can you imagine having a streaming service that prioritizes actual content other than the ad? Fucking great. I gotta do the YAG achievement. Space J says Bunlith model. What, you mean like in Nightmare Car YAG? Okay. Win a race with 0 blood droplets. Let me put a check mark, or let me do a yeah, a plus sign. So basically there's going to be 2 ways to unlock most of these achievements. One on start and one during gameplay, right? On boot. On boot is a retroactive check. During gameplay is not, obviously. So I want to say most of these are retroactive checks. What software is this? This is Unreal Engine 4. So I guess plus, let me make a key, legend, whatever. Slash would equal. ISP in chat. Everyone say hi to my ISP. Hello ISP, thank you for monitoring my stream. Nope, my up is back at 5. Must have been a slight glitch to have my up speed actually be what we're paying for and what was advertised. That's fucking insane. That's fucking insane, chat. We should have a live up speed tracker on the stream. That'd be fucking great. I'm thinking, chat. Win a race with 0 blood droplets. Beat the Matilda sisters. That is level 6. Okay. So, if our current level is greater or equal to 7, then we know Now we beat the Matilda sisters. Okay. The endings, can we, I don't think I write what ending you have to the save file, which is really unfortunate. No, I don't. Okay. Interesting. That's not good. Okay, we can do unlock Miralodia. Wait a minute, we don't need to reference a save file for these. We're in the game instance. What am I doing? Hold on, chat. This is cringe. I'm being cringe right now. Okay. Unlock all carts, unlock all racers, unlock Bunleth, and unlock Miralodia, which is basically effectively the like 100% a playthrough. Get all the insight. Yeah, Miralodia is kind of like the master hand. Of Nightmare Kart, so unlocking Master Hand would be achievement worthy, right? Okay, so we need to get unlocked racers, and then check if the list of unlocked racers contains Miralodia. And then one for baby Margot. So same thing. Sorry about that, chat. We are back. Alright, so Baby Margot. Eileen is asking if achievements will be retroactively unlocked. Sorry, will you get these achievements if you save already? Has these unlocked? The answer is partially. I'm doing the best I can, but unfortunately we can't retroactively unlock every achievement, which is just very unfortunate. Unfortunately, the ones that are not included in the retroactive checks are the endings, which just sucks. I'm sorry to say. Get a triple kill, get a bullseye, get blood drunk. Okay, so we can't do these yet. Distance traveled. How many meters is in 100 kilometers? I can Google that. I feel like doing math in my head. 100,000 meters. How many centimeters? 1e plus 7. So that's, what, a million? 10 million? Is it 10 million centimeters in a kilometer? Yes. 10 million centimeters. Okay. A 100,000 meters and 10 million centimeters. $10 million. Is it true you're terrible at rolling doobies? That is so funny. My reputation precedes me. Yes, I am terrible at it. I have gotten better, but I still think it qualifies as terrible.
Aren't you like 2 of the top results when you Google worst joint ever?
Worst joint, Google worst joint ever. I'm 2 of the top results, baby. I'm infamous. Okay.
Also, hi chat.
Girlfriend and girlfriend. I have my girlfriends here. Everyone say hi to my girlfriend. All right, distance traveled, time airborne. This better be in seconds. This has to be in seconds. This has to be in seconds. That's 60 times 15. 15 minutes is 900. So if you this is greater or equal to 900 seconds. Unlock the airborne. F. Okay, Donkey says F? Question mark? I'm not really sure what that means. Okay, yes, our stream has officially crashed, everyone. We have officially lost half of our viewers. That's fucking incredible. Thank you so much. I couldn't have done it without you. We are backed. We are so back, baby. We are so back to the stream literally being unwatchable. Fucking incredible. I fucking love my ISP so fucking much. It's not just you. My ISP is throttling me. Yeah, so we're at 118 viewers. We'll see how much that tanks to. Hello, Honey Zilia. Hello again. Yep, we were at 32 viewers. That is fucking hilarious. That's like 70% of our viewership right there. That's fucking awful. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream. I think this is unacceptable. I'm gonna end the stream. This is unacceptable. Okay. So let's see. Buying a new router didn't work. So we're gonna have to figure something out. Because this is clearly not working. So I'm just gonna end the stream here. Must be a miserable experience for everyone. So yeah, this will be. Yeah, we're just gonna end it here, chat. I'm really sorry the stream has become unacceptable. You know, I thought, you know, the household getting a new modem would fucking fix this, but it clearly hasn't. I've been doing speed tests pretty regularly, and we've never been over the minimum requirements, the minimum recommended. So, yeah, I'm really frustrated and upset, and I'm gonna try everything I fucking can to be able to fucking stream. But unfortunately, that is not something I can do right now, so I'm just gonna end the stream. Because there's nothing I can do here, and I'm really sorry, everyone. So, on the positive side, the VOD will be devoid of all, you know, buffering. So if you really want, you can check out the VOD when it gets uploaded tomorrow. So, hopefully the next stream will be fixed. I mean, that's what I said last stream, or 2 streams ago, so. Anyways, yeah, I will. Yeah, I guess I'll end the stream here, and I will see you all in the future, hopefully with a better internet connection. I am desperately trying to fix this. I'm trying everything I can. So, hopefully until then, I will see you all later. Peace out.